Do you struggle with sugar cravings? If so, you're not alone. Many of us experience that insistent tug, that sweet tooth calling out for a sugary indulgence. Sugar cravings are a common issue that can derail our best intentions for a healthy diet and affect our overall health. But why do we get these cravings? The answers might surprise you. It's not just about a lack of willpower. Factors like stress can trigger sugar cravings. When we're under pressure, our bodies often seek quick energy boosts, and sugar fits the bill. Lack of sleep is another culprit. When we're tired, we tend to reach for sugary foods to keep us going. And then there are hormone imbalances, which can cause our bodies to cry out for sugar. So it's not just about having a sweet tooth. It's often about what's happening in our bodies and our lives. Knowing why we crave sugar is the first step to overcoming these cravings. Did you know that sugar hides in some of the most unexpected places? It's a sneaky little thing, often lurking in the foods we least expect. Take sauces, for instance. A dollop of ketchup or a splash of teriyaki can pack a surprising sugar punch. And bread, that staple of many a meal, can often contain added sugars. It's not just white bread either, even whole grain loaves can be culprits. Then come the healthy snacks. The ones that tout their nutritional benefits but fail to mention their high sugar content. Ever notice how that energy bar seems a bit too tasty to be just nuts and seeds? That's because it's likely sweetened with honey, agave, or even plain old sugar. The key to unmasking these hidden sugars is to become a vigilant label reader. Check the ingredients, look for those sugar synonyms. It's not just about avoiding sweets, it's about understanding what's in your food. Being aware of hidden sugars helps us make better food choices and control our sugar intake. Now let's explore some practical steps to beat those pesky sugar cravings. Firstly, let's talk about hydration. Drinking plenty of water is not only essential for our overall health, but it can also help curb sugar cravings. Sometimes our bodies can confuse thirst for hunger, leading us to reach for a sugary snack when what we really need is a glass of water. So before you reach for that candy bar, try drinking a glass of water first. Next, consider increasing your protein intake. Protein is known for its appetite-reducing properties. It can help you feel full and satisfied, reducing the need for a sugar fix. Including a source of protein in every meal, like lean meats, eggs, or legumes, can help keep those cravings at bay. Another helpful strategy is practicing mindful eating. This involves being fully present and aware of what and how much we're eating. By paying close attention to our food, we can better recognize when we're truly hungry or just experiencing a sugar craving. Mindful eating can also help us savor our food more and feel satisfied with less. Getting enough sleep is also crucial. Lack of sleep can disrupt our body's hunger hormones, leading to increased cravings and appetite. Prioritizing a good night's sleep can help keep these hormones in balance and reduce sugar cravings. Finally, regular exercise is a great way to combat sugar cravings. Physical activity helps control your weight, reduces stress, and can even help regulate your appetite. Plus, the endorphins released during exercise can provide a natural high, reducing the need for a sugar rush. Remember, it's okay to have a sweet treat occasionally. The goal is not to eliminate sugar entirely, but to create a healthier relationship with food where we're in control, not our cravings. Incorporating these steps into our daily routine can make a big difference in managing and beating sugar cravings. So, are you ready to kick those sugar cravings to the curb? Let's take a moment to recap what we've learned today. We've discovered the insidious nature of hidden sugars lurking in everyday foods and drinks. We've also armed ourselves with practical steps to combat those sneaky sugar cravings. Remember, the first step is awareness. Once we know what to look out for, we can make smarter choices. And those choices can make a world of difference. Reducing our sugar intake can lead to increased energy, weight loss, improved mood, and overall better health. But let's not stop there. With consistency, we can transform these steps into habits, and these habits into a healthier lifestyle. Each small victory over sugar is a step toward a more vibrant, healthier you. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and check out the links in the description for more information and resources to help you on your journey to a healthier lifestyle.